this is our presentation on our music generation from user facial recognition. You can see that we are generating real-time music from facial inputs and getting the dominant colors from background, which are being fed into the diffusion model. We have used the audio LDM2 model, which is a latent diffusion model for generating music, and it is taking a text prompt as an input, and we are fine-tuning the text prompt based on facial recognition, the colors which we are getting from the webcam input, and the age and gender of the person. And we are further explaining this in the demo of our product.